charger too.
Damn, you gonna be out here for a while?
And then I got a battery back.
Some behind the scenes footage, you know what I mean? Boiler Room Battle League, you know what I'm saying? Behind the scenes, waiting on the battlers to get here, you know what I'm talking about?
Then I got this one from my boy Matt that passed away in the boat now.
Yo, what's this called? What's this place called?
Smoke blunts and chill on mushrooms.
What's this place called? The Park.
Then I got
Hell's Gates. I don't know.
Oh shit, we in Hell's Gates, people. It's a nice view out here though, I'm not gonna front.
It used to be white when I first
Hell can be deceiving.
morning over a car. I got this from my cousin Matt Levette.
Yo, you subscribe to the Battle Booth, bro? You subscribe to the Battle Booth, bro?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, alright. Cool, cool, that's what.
Gotta represent, you know.
I appreciate you.
Featuring artists.
Oh,
and
you
all
be
the people.
you be commenting and shit?
This is my first day here.
You said you be commenting and shit on videos and shit?
I be commenting. Yeah. They know who Brad is.
Oh, all right. So I think you qualify for a free face mask, bro.
Free face mask?
Yeah.
Do I?
I got Battle Booth face masks.
Oh, I do want a face mask.
Yeah.
So I can represent.
You know what?
I'm walking everywhere. You know.
Give me a few.
The more I walk everywhere, the more I advertise for you guys.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you commenting. You know what I mean, and all that shit. So give me a few minutes and I got you, bro. I got you. You know what I mean? What we got here? How many battlers we got? We don't got no battlers out here yet.
Oh, you're gonna battle over there. The one with GK. He's going against Keith.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm about to see if GK wants to holler at the camera.
Yeah, hold on, let me just get it. Yeah, you gotta, every time you do, you gotta change this. Just get a little both together. Yeah. Alright, 1, 2. Yeah, you got
Oh, they come on.
Sure. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I'll do it.
You know the vibes, man. The event's about to begin. Boiler Room Battle League 2.0. Behind the scenes shit, battle booth, you heard?
One of the battle raps. That shit would be funny.
Mix it up a little. Get 2 medium 2-topping pizzas from Domino's for $5.99 each.
I've never been here before, to be honest.
You never been here before?
No, it's my first time. It's not even far from me either.
Well, you never been here before, and I never been to a rap battle before.
Oh, you never been to an event before?
Well, because they're always doing stuff, and I always got notified last minute. It's getting annoying. I told him I need to be in advance notice. So, and everything was always out of the city. I don't drive, so I walk everywhere. So if it's in time, I have to find the money to get the cab to go there or Uber. I support from a distance if I can't get there, but I switched it here. I'm like, you know what? Now that I know that you're switching it to Fall River, I'm going.
Yeah. It's not far from me. It's only like 20 miles from me. You know the vibes, man. In the mission. We just finished watching Changi versus motherfucking Nino Bars. We're about to watch battle number 3. You know what I mean? We're here, Fall River, Massachusetts. You know the vibes, man.
Huh?